Hi, my name is Ian Giffen and I'd like to welcome you to the GoPro Trading Academy Funded Trader Program. Now, in case you're thinking that this all sounds too good to be true, let me explain why this really is an incredible opportunity for you to accelerate the achievement of your financial goals and dreams, and also just how this opportunity has come about. Firstly, you may be wondering whether this really is a live prop account program. And the answer is absolutely yes, it is. In case you don't know what a prop or proprietary funded account is, it's an account funded by real investor capital where the investor and the trader share in the profits made on the trading. Now, you may well be wondering why on earth someone would be prepared to take a risk on you and give you so much money to trade. Well, there are two reasons. Firstly, the GoPro Trading Academy has earned itself a reputation by being extremely successful in developing aspiring traders into consistently profitable professionals. And so we have been able to secure investment capital from financial backers for any of our members who are serious about accelerating their pathway to financial freedom. So if you are already trading consistently profitably, or at least can see that you're on the right path to doing so, then the Funded Trader Program is for you. You see, right now as a trader, you may be trading a small live account, and by small, I mean around $10,000 or less. For you to be able to grow that account to meaningful levels, and by that I mean at least $1 million, where you can truly enjoy being financially free, well, it's probably going to take you years. Unless, of course, you're taking crazy risks in your trading, which is equally likely to take you out sooner rather than later, and any success you enjoy in the meantime is likely due purely to luck. So you see, at the GoPro Trading Academy, we believe in this fundamental principle that is behind every single long-term successful trader, and that is to always look to limit downside and maximize upside. Now, for us, this is not just for our trading strategies. It actually extends to everything. And the Funded Trader Program offers you an incredible way to do just that. I mean, instead of risking all of your personal trading capital, all you need to risk is the cost of the small, and it's a once-off setup fee. But, and this is the thing, you then stand to benefit from trading profits on a $2 million account before very long at all. Let me illustrate. If we use the example of, say, a $10,000 evaluation account, you only need to pay a setup fee, and that's one time, in this case of $700. And as long as you successfully pass the evaluation of achieving the small $600 of goal in profit, in which case you'll actually get $300 back in the profit share, you immediately get upgraded to a $40,000 portfolio manager account with also 50% profit share. Now think about it. For a small upfront fee of $700, you quickly get to profit from a $40,000 account every single month. And of course, it doesn't stop there. Every time you meet the very modest profit targets on each level, your account gets doubled as you unlock the next level, and doubled again and again and again, until before you know it, you're trading and profiting from a real live money account of $2 million. Now that's what I call massive upside, and with almost no downside. After all, compare that to trading your existing account, and how long before you can build up meaningful trading capital and be making more than enough money to live a truly wealthy life in every sense of the word. Living the life of your dreams. I mean, after all, isn't that why you decided to learn how to trade in the first place? Well, I'm going to leave it up to you to decide. But if you're ready to get on the accelerated pathway to financial freedom, then click on the link below and we'll help you to take the next steps. I hope to see you on the other side. Bye for now.